Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, and I'm back with another painting video. Like I said, I did the one with my daughter earlier, and it wasn't quite mixed right. But I mix my paints up at the same time, and hopefully they are mixed up right. I'm trying something a little bit different. I'm going back. I don't know why, but I'm going back and I'm gonna do a flip cup. I've been doing a lot of flip cups lately, but I'm gonna do a flip cup with some silicone. The colors I chose for this one, well, you can see I painted the canvas because I'm using the silicone just to have a base layer, so it doesn't go all the way to the canvas and you'll just see white from the canvas. So the colors I use is Phalo green, Master's Touch Phalo green. This simply acrylic leaf green, just to add a little bit of light to it. I'm using some more of this Master's Touch Antique Gold, and that's the last of my Antique Gold, I think. I'm going to add a little bit of Permanent Black Master's Touch, and my white is mostly this Artist Sloth Metallic White, which I like quite a bit, and there's a little bit of the Master's Touch titanium white in it. So again, I've already added the silicone in it. The silicone is this spot on treadmill silicone, and I'm gonna put this all in the cup. I'm gonna flip it and see how it goes. So one moment and we'll get to it. Alright, y'all, so here's the final product. I'm not quite happy with this at all. It looked great before I started tilting. Once I started tilting, it just kind of fell apart. So I'm gonna try this again with the leftover paint on a smaller canvas because I don't want to waste the paint, but I'm not happy with this at all. I kind of have an idea of where it went wrong, so yeah, I'm gonna try this again, but yeah, it all just kind of fell apart. We'll take a look anyway. Here and like across the bottom is probably the only places where you can see evidence of the gold. I don't know why the gold just kind of didn't show up, and like up here the white came through a lot more. It's just nah, like this is all just a bunch of nah. So I'm not even gonna get that deep into it. I'm gonna try this again. So check out, I'm going to use the leftover paint for a 8x10 canvas, and we're going to try this again, but I plan on trying this all again sometime in the near future with a different technique. I'm not exactly sure how, but yeah, I have kind of bad experiences with the silicone. I don't know why, but this is one of those. So Facebook.com/PTCAC. It's your boy. Peace.